What if a single naturally occurring copper-binding peptide could influence how skin cells behave at the level of gene expression? One of the most studied in this space is GHK-Cu. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not medical advice. GHK-Cu is a naturally occurring tripeptide found in human plasma and tissues. It has been studied in scientific literature for its potential role in tissue repair, inflammation signaling, and extracellular matrix remodeling. Research has explored how GHK-Cu may influence fibroblast activity, the cells responsible for producing collagen and maintaining structural integrity in skin and connective tissue. Some studies suggest GHK-Cu may be associated with changes in gene expression related to inflammation control, antioxidant defenses, and tissue repair pathways. However, these effects are complex and still under active investigation. It has also been examined for its potential involvement in wound healing processes, including angiogenesis and the remodeling of damaged extracellular matrix components. Rather than acting as a reset, current science more cautiously describes GHK-Cu as a signaling molecule that may support the body's natural repair processes at the cellular level. While interest in copper peptides is growing in dermatology and regenerative research, findings vary across studies, and more robust human data is still needed to fully understand its effects. Final note, this video is intended solely for educational and informational purposes. I am not a physician, and nothing presented should be interpreted as medical advice. GHK-Cu is discussed in the context of scientific literature and research. No dosages, treatment protocols, or usage recommendations are provided. Any health-related decisions should be discussed with a qualified healthcare professional.